Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your email address in Canva, step by step. Whether you've switched to a new email provider or just want to update your contact details, this quick guide will walk you through the process clearly and safely. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a few important tips to make sure your Canva account stays secure after the change. Let's get started. First, log into your Canva account. Once you're in, look at the right corner of your Canva dashboard. You'll see a small profile icon. Inside this, see the setting icon. That's your account settings. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you can manage all your account preferences. Now, find the section that shows your current email address. Right next to it, you'll notice an edit button. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can begin changing your email. Before Canva allows you to switch emails, it needs to confirm that it's really you. So Canva will automatically send a security code to your current email address. Open your email inbox and check for a message from Canva. If you don't see it right away, make sure to check your spam or junk folders too. Sometimes it ends up there. Once you find the email, copy the verification code and head back to Canva. Enter that code in the box provided and click verify. This step ensures no one else is trying to change your email without permission. After verification, it's time to add your new email address. Type in your new email carefully. Double check for typos because even a small mistake can cause login issues later. Once you've entered it correctly, click Save Changes. Canva may ask you to re-enter your account password just to confirm it's you. After that, Canva will update your account details with your new email. So that's how simple it is to change your email address in Canva. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next Canva tips and tricks. And if you have any questions, drop them down below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.